In this video, I'll show you how to join the Delta Force Discord server on mobile. From the Discord home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then press join a server at the bottom. Inside the invite link, this is what you're going to type: Delta Force Game. So make sure it's all one word and spelled correctly, and then tap join with invite link. You'll see you've been invited to join Delta Force Game server. Accept the invite and tap confirm at the bottom if you get this CAPTCHA. And that's going to load us into the Delta Force server. There'll be a server onboarding. It's going to ask some questions, like which language you speak. You can skip, or you can select a few. Then you need to read and agree to the server rules, and then tap agree. And as you can see, we've joined the Delta Force server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.